When you first hear the word rubylite, or see one for the first time, you can't be blamed to thinking it is related to the ruby. However, it isn't. Rubylite is part of the tourmaline gemstones, which make it a rare gemstone. A ruby on the other hand is a family of its own and considered a precious stone. Tourmaline was believed by the ancient Egyptians to have risen to the Earth's surface from its center, and it collected all the colors of the rainbow on its passage. On the other hand, if you are single and looking for love, the Rubylite Tourmaline can help as well. If you are looking fantastic for a night out, wearing Rubylite jewelry can help you find your perfect soulmate. Rubylite Tourmaline colors. The gem is known as red tourmaline because of its range of colors from purple pink to violet red. Whilst it is known as red tourmaline, not all red tourmalines are rubylite. The name is reserved exclusively for the brightest stones. Its beautiful color range has also earned the stone the name, the stone of the perfected heart, which also linked the gem to love and relationships. Because of its high refractive index, no matter what light you view it under, it will also be striking and incredibly beautiful. The deep pinkish red are the most sought-out colors. Although you can find them with brownish tones, these tones decrease the value of the stone. The primary source for this beautiful gemstone are Brazil, Nigeria, Mozambique. Treatments. It is necessary for you to find a gemstone based on the treatments that it underwent. Rubylite tourmaline are commonly heat treatment as well as irradiated, which have been commonly accepted by the industry. These treatments are permanent and do not have any physical effects if worn. One of the most curious properties of the gemstone is that it pyroelectric. What this means, is that it becomes electrically charged if heated or cooled. This phenomenon happens because the crystalline structure of the gem gets polarized when subjected to different temperatures. Henceforth, creating voltage. Thanks to this properties, rubylite is believed to help with protection from various harmful everyday energies. Tourmalines make great jewelry thanks to their hardness of 7.0 to 7.5. However, care needs to be taken. Avoid rough handling and using a mechanical process. You can keep your tree shining with hot water and soap. Use a soft brush or cloth to clean it off and to dry it as well. Now you know the benefits Rubolite can bring you, don't hesitate to browse through our collection.